Selamat pagi dan salam sejahtera. Thank you for coming for this pitching session. So the product of this is biosensor. So it's, the product is used in waste water quality monitoring. So this is the problem that we face, especially in Malaysia. Okay, we have illegal waste discharge, which actually is disrupt these supplies, water supplies. So, and then the limitation of the existing technology in the market is like we rely on the import technology, and then there's a high cost and very expensive. So this is the critical problem that we face in Malaysia. As we know that every day we heard about the news regarding these water disruptions and then the illegal discharge from unknown. So, okay, so this is the principle of the electrochemical sensor. So actually we use the microbe as the catalyst, okay, to sense, and then it linked to the water quality, and then we have a system that we can biomonitor the water quality in the, either in the wastewater or freshwater body. And then actually this is the project that we have collaborated with our national sewage industry. And then we have been tested in the wastewater, and then we also tested it in fresh body system. And then it also can be connected to the existing water monitoring system. Because nowadays IoT has become more and more common. So it's actually the proof of concept, we have proved it in TRL3 and then lab validations, TRL4, and then now we move forward to validation in the real conditions. And actually we have tested in the site as well. And then this is the roughly cost estimation for our unit. As you can see that the current available technologies, which is imported, is typically like about 30,000 per set, and our unit actually is very cheaper than them, probably 6 times lower cost. And then this is the market expense strategy. We hope that for the first phase we can convince the locals wastewater company or the authority in Malaysia first, and then after that the second phase we will expand it to the Asian and then the global, or after 3 years or 4 years. And then this is just I snapshot it from the internet, which is the smart water management market. As we can see that for 2025 alone is about 17 billions dollar. And then actually it has a huge potential, and it's keep growing like 10 to 11% every year. And this is our team member, and we have the academy, and then we have industry, and then we also have our students. And then this is what we ask. We are seeking for the co-founder, which has the entrepreneur lead, and then it's able to transit it into full-time in the future, and then able to support the venture part-time during the validation and the early traction phase, and then committed to build and learning, and then to scaling up the business in the long term, and then passionate about the water sustainability and then the deep tech innovation and also the customer impact. Thank you.
Seterusnya kita mulakan dengan sesi soal jawab. Ada sebarang soalan dan masa diberikan 5 minit.
Morning.
Morning, Doctor. My name is David. I'd like to look at the pre-presentation. I think it has great potential. Looking at how we collaborated with India Water, I wonder what's application within your water, what's the barrier for you to find entrepreneurial lead in this project?
You mean the difficulties of? As you know that we are, because in our water mainly they are the customer, so they feed us like what they want, what is the requirement of the industry. And then we are the researcher. Of course, we have learned a lot. What is the fundamentals and what kind of sensor or the signals that we give up. Is valuable for us. But actually, we don't have the business mind. So that's why we are looking for the entrepreneur who has the business mindset that can carry this product. As a team, and then to move forward. So there is a difficulty for us. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
The team is not the business.
So follow up on that. What would be the necessary experience in the industry would be your requirement for the entrepreneurial lead?
Not necessary, but it's better that the entrepreneur is, he or him is like, he has the, what they call the passions of doing this, and interested to learn about this kind of sensor. At least he knows the fundamentals, but it's not necessary that he has it's like what you say just now, like very successful in the business. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, my name is Roswati. Allow me to ask you in Bahasa Malaysia.
Okay.
Okay, tadi saya dah nampak. I just want to know the device.
Yes.
Is it mobile, can bring anywhere, or you have to fix di tempat tu? Then is it one single use, or you can use it banyak kali?
It's not single use, it's continuous. So meaning that because we are using sebab kita guna bacteria, so bacteria itu datang daripada nature. So kita ada condition yang kita boleh kekalkan bacteria itu supaya dia dapat hidup. Sebab kita tahu kan bacteria dia akan hidup selama-lamanya kalau you tak ada benda yang disturb dia. So also in the dalam contohnya dalam wastewater, dia ada banyak bahan organik. So bacteria itu dia akan selalu ada dekat situ.
So this bacteria boleh sesuaikan keadaan dengan any kind of water.
Yes. Terutamanya dalam alam sekitar kita, natural environments, we have a lot of bacteria which we don't know how, but they can survive, and that's what we learn from the environments, and this is our technology, how to keep those bacteria alive and be used for us, so that it will create a signal that we can use to monitoring the water and wastewater.
So
and for your first question, I think you asked about the
is it heavy also?
Sebenarnya dia tak heavy, dia boleh portable.
Portable. So
Yes.
kalau perempuan boleh bawa lah.
Ya, you boleh bawa pergi ke mana-mana.
And then it's not single use usage.
No, it's not single.
Okay. And then another question, this device focuses in what industry?
So far kami are focused on wastewater dulu.
Wastewater.
Yes.
So any part
Sebab
of
wastewater dia adalah yang paling senang. Dia ada banyak bakteria dalam, sebab wastewater yang kita guna dia menggunakan proses biologi.
Okay.
So dia memang perlu bakteria pun. So bakteria yang kita nak tu memang ada dalam.
So it's open industry usage, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank
Tapi
you.
in the future dia boleh digunakan untuk sungai, untuk pasir.
Ya, sebab I banyak buat dalam pertanian. So dalam pertanian memang kita banyak gunakan air. So
Yes.
that's why I'm asking
Yes.
berat macam mana nak
So far
use.
kita hanya test dekat wastewater. Lepas tu yang second adalah sungai. Yang contohnya agriculture kita guna test.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, hi. Good morning, doctor. So I got a quick question, technical question.
So when it comes to IoT, usually there will be some critical issues like delay response. So may I know the latency and the accuracy of your device? Thank you.
The device that we test in laboratory and also in the site application, we take like 1 minute. It won't be more than 1 sample per minute.
So it's real time.
Yes, it's real time. And then everything is go to the cloud. And then we have alarm systems that will trigger, and then you will if there is the limitation that we set, and then if you over the limitation, then it will trigger the alarm, and then you will send the email.
Okay, all right, thank you.
Okey, masa pun telah tamat untuk pembentangan yang pertama. Terima kasih doktor.